When we talk about the plastic bags and why it's important to stop using them, we mention microplastics, which are pieces of plastic that measure 5 millimeters or less. In that post, we talk about microplastics that comes from decomposing plastic products. But that is not the only source of microplastics. According to the World Wide Fund for Nature, we eat on average 5 grams of plastic per week. That is the equivalent of a credit card's weight in plastic. We literally are consuming plastic. Scientists have detected microplastics in their environment and some foods, but the largest source of microplastics is drinking water, both from the tap or a bottle. There are 52 studies around the world that estimates that an average person consumes as many as 1,700 particles of plastic per week by just drinking water. But plastic ingestion, because of contamination, is not the only way we are filling our bodies with plastic. There are more direct ways. One of them, tea bags. Researchers at McGill University in Canada wondered if tea bags will release microplastic while making tea. So they tested commercial tea bags in the lab by putting them in boiling water. What did they find? That a single tea bag releases into the cup around 11.6 billion microplastics particles and 3 billion even smaller nanoplastic particles. This is thousands of times higher than any amount previously found in any other food or drink. The same study has been done before by a PhD student called Laura Hernandez. She says that more research is needed to determine if the plastic consumption might represent a serious health problem to humans. Animals are already dying because of plastic. What makes us think that we can continue with this massive plastic production and that everything will be alright? Not only for nature, plastic is already getting into us. We need to stop. We need to change.